Hi students, MCQ number 26. Two heat engines A and B have their sources at 1000 K and 1100 K and sinks at 500 K and 400 K respectively. What is true about their efficiencies? So it's a straight question. There are two heat engines for which their source temperature and sink temperatures are given. So first for engine A, let us take for engine A. So what is the source temperature is 1000 K. So source temperature T1 is equal to 1000 Kelvin and sink temperature is 500 Kelvin. So T2 is equal to 500 K. So the efficiency of the engine A, that is eta A, is equal to 1 minus T2 by T1. So this is equal to 1 minus 500 by 1000. So easy numbers. 500 by 1000 is 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 and that is therefore equal to what? 1 by 2. So this is the efficiency of the heat engine A. Like this now for B. Now I will take a T1 dash. So T1 dash is equal to what? 1100 Kelvin. So it is 1100 K. And T2 dash is equal to 400 K. So this is 400 Kelvin. Therefore, efficiency of the heat engine B is equal to 1 minus T2 dash divided by T1 dash. So this is now equal to 1 minus 400 divided by 1100. So these two zeros get cancelled. If you take LCM, 11 minus 4. So this is 11 minus 4 divided by 11. So eta B is now equal to 11 minus 4 is 7. So this is 7 divided by 11. So this I will multiply by 2 on both sides. So that this is now equal to 7 2s are 14 divided by 11 2s are 22. Therefore eta B is equal to 14 by 22. Like that here eta A, I want to bring the same denominator. So I will multiply by 11 and divide by 11. So that this will be equal to 11 into 1 is 11 divided by 22. Okay. So denominators are same now. But numerator for eta B is 14 whereas for eta A it is 11 only. Therefore, eta B is greater than eta A or eta A is less than eta B. Now we will see the options. Eta A is less than eta B. So option B must be the correct answer. Okay. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. So such questions and all direct substitution only, very fast calculation and easily cancelable numbers only they are given. So we find that option B is the right answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.